What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to build a strong fan base. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about ways to build a strong fan base. I know it's hard. There's a gazillion musicians out there, and you just want to find different ways to break through, to build your fan base, to build your audience. These are some ways that I came up with after talking to a bunch of artists, a bunch of managers, and stuff like that. These are some ways that could help you build a strong fan base. Enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right, guys. Ways to build a strong fan base. Building a music fan base takes time and effort, but here are some effective strategies to help you grow your audience. Number one, define your brand. Develop a clear and authentic brand that represents your music and persona. Define your unique style, image, and message. Consistency in branding across your social media, website, and promotional materials will help you establish a recognizable identity. This is pretty big, man. Don't have a specific identity on Instagram, then you go to your TikTok is something completely different. Then you go to your Facebook is something completely different. You go to your Twitter, something completely different, different names. You're doing different things. Like it's gonna be hard to keep that for people to find you, for people to actually know that's you, to be recognizable. So try to keep everything as streamlined as possible on your social medias. Engage on social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok to connect with your audience. Post regularly. Share updates about your music, behind the scenes content, and personal insights. Interact with your fans, respond to comments, and participate in conversations to build a sense of community. This is big, man. You're starving, you're begging, not really begging, but you're asking for support from people, and they're talking to you in your comments, they're sharing your music. You don't say thank you, you don't respond to comments. Yeah, I know you can't respond to every comment, you can't respond to every message, but try your best to respond to as much as possible. Utilize streaming platforms. Make your music available on popular streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. Create playlists featuring your own songs and collaborate with other artists for mutual exposure. Encourage your followers to save, share, and add your music to their own playlists. Number four, live performances. Perform your music live as often as possible. Seek out local venues, open mic nights, or music festivals to showcase your talent. Engage with the audience, network with other artists, and leave a lasting impression with your performances. Hey, look here, man. We all got to start somewhere. Don't think you're too big for that open mic night and stuff like that. Get out there and perform, man. Perfect your performance. The only way to get better with performing is to actually do it. If you've never performed before, it's a special skill, it's a special talent. It's different from rapping in the mirror or singing in the mirror. It's different from being in the studio. A great live performance takes practice. Takes practice. So get out there and practice. Get out there and meet people. Get out there and meet these venue owners, these promoters, and stuff like that, man. Get out there. Collaborate with other artists. Collaboration with other musicians can expose you to their fan base and vice versa. Create opportunities to collaborate on joint singles, features, or remixes. By combining your talents, you can tap into a new audience and increase reach. Hey, man, a community is key. 6, build an email list. Create a mailing list and encourage your fans to sign up. Use email newsletters to share exclusive content, behind the scenes updates, and upcoming release information. Offers for special discounts on merchandise or early access to new music can incentivize fans to join your mailing list. This is big right here, right? So imagine this. You have 1,000 fans on this mailing list, right? And you're dropping a new hoodie. Why not reach out to the fans directly? Everybody may not see your social media posts. You'll be able to email fans directly and they can get it right to their phone, their iPad, their Apple Watch, whatever they have. They'll be able to get it. You'll be able to get that straight to them without social media. You'll have the access directly to the fans. An email list is so important. Engage with your fans. Show appreciation for your fans by responding to comments and messages. Hold Q&A sessions, live streams, and virtual meetups to connect with them on a personal level. Encourage user-generated content by creating challenges or contests related to your music. Hey, man, we all know TikTok is ruling. The dances are ruling. Why not create something around that to get your song, your record, a little bit more buzz? Number 8, leverage music blogs and playlists. Submit your music to relevant music blogs, online magazines, and playlists. Research blogs and curators who support your genre and style. Getting featured or included in curated playlists can expose your music to a wider audience and attract new fans. Don't be afraid to reach out to people, man. Reach out. Network and collaborate offline. I know we all like our social media. We all like being online, but you got to get out here in these streets too, man. Attend music conferences, industry events, and local music scenes to network with other musicians, producers, and industry professionals. Collaborating offline can lead to new opportunities, shared fan bases, and increased exposure. Remember, building a fan base is a gradual process. Stay true to your music and engage with your fans. Authentically and consistently produce and release high quality content. Let me read that again. Authentically and consistently produce and release high quality content. Over time, your dedicated efforts will help you establish a growing and loyal fan base. Yes, sir. So those are some great ways to build a strong fan base. If you have any other ways, leave them in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Let's help each other get better. If you don't agree with some of the things I said, let's talk about those as well, man. Like I said, the only way to help each other understand is to communicate. So let's talk about it in the comments below. Be sure to head over to my website and download this ebook if you found some value from it. Be sure to share it with all your artist friends. Share it with your friends. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, man, so we can keep creating this type of dope content, man. Hey, like I said, ways to build a strong fan base, man. You can't beat that. Hey, but it's your boy Gels, baby. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.